Get ready for a cosmic swap. Let's picture Earth and Mars trading lives. Mars, our red neighbor, has been captivating scientists like never before, with numerous robotic visitors already calling it home. The ultimate goal, establishing a human settlement on the Martian surface. So, what if these two planets made a switcheroo? How would this astronomical trade impact both Earth and Mars as we know them? Let's dive into this cosmic switcheroo as we explore the mind-bending scenario where Earth and Mars swap lives. It's time to focus on how life on Earth would be affected. Welcome back to Crazy Stuff, your go-to channel for engaging science videos that'll make you smarter every day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon so you stay up to date with our fresh content. Now let's get started. If Earth and Mars switched places, Earth would no longer bask in its current spot, about 149.6 million kilometers from the Sun, a distance that makes life on this planet just right. Alright, buckle up as we dive into this extraordinary Earth-Mars swap. Currently, our home planet is about 149.6 million kilometers away from the Sun, a sweet spot that lets life thrive. But what if it suddenly hopped to Mars' spot at 227.9 million kilometers? That'd mean Earth's average distance from the Sun would skyrocket by nearly 500 million extra miles. Now, let's see what happens when our red planet takes Earth's place. Mars would zoom in to where we live now, an astonishing 149.6 million kilometers away from the Sun. This drastic change has massive implications for both planets and their potential for life. So stay tuned as we explore this fascinating cosmic switch. Get ready for a chilly world if Earth made the big jump to Mars' spot. With this new distance from the Sun, our days would be pretty dim, sunlight and warmth would be about half what we're used to. Imagine needing headlights on your morning commute during the daytime. But that's not all. Temperatures worldwide would plummet, putting us at serious risk of an eternal ice age. Although Earth has a thicker atmosphere than Mars, it wouldn't be enough to keep things cozy. Expect frigid temps, ranging from a mind-boggling 153 degrees C at the poles to a chilly 1025 degrees C at the equator, if we're lucky and avoid that ice age. Fasten your seatbelts for this reality check. If Earth moved to Mars' spot, life as we know it in many places would be a frosty nightmare. Countries like Greenland, Canada, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, and Denmark would become uninhabitable iceboxes. And don't think the US and China would escape unscathed. Parts of these superpowers would turn into frozen tundras. Folks living there would need to pack their bags for warmer climes. Get ready for a massive migration bonanza. You can bet your gloves that the world's population would swarm towards the sunniest spots, cramming onto just half the land we're used to sharing. Governments worldwide would likely step up efforts to control population growth. Talk about a pressing global issue. Now for some silver lining optimism. If Earth took Mars' chill pill, we'd see a dramatic drop in those nasty UV rays, slashing skin cancer cases and other skin woes by a whopping amount. But don't get too cozy just yet, because this new reality would come with some major cons. Plant growth would slow way down, leading to less oxygen from photosynthesis, a double whammy for our air quality. And as if that's not enough, many animals wouldn't be able to handle the icy temperatures and could become extinct within a couple of years. The writings on the wall: Earth species might face a mass extinction event like never before. Buckle up, folks. We'd have to deal with low oxygen levels, less solar energy, and freezing temps all at once. Adding fuel to the fire, we'd need exponentially more land per person to grow food, potentially catapulting us straight into a global famine crisis. Talk about a perfect storm. Our survival chances would be dwindling fast. Humanity would have to think on its feet and adapt lightning fast to these harsh new conditions. Governments worldwide would need to spring into action, enforcing strict measures to keep the lights on for our species' long-term survival hopes. And guess who'd be raking in the benefits? Mars would be the ultimate winner in this cosmic switcheroo. With Earth's chill, temps would become much more hospitable for life. The ice caps would melt away, releasing trapped gases and puffing up its atmosphere just enough to make it slightly thicker. A game changer for our red planet neighbor. Now, imagine scientists scratching their heads over a mind-blowing question. What would happen to our solar system if Earth and Mars swap places? Some experts think it'd be business as usual. Earth and Mars would keep orbiting the Sun just like they do today. But others are worried that our universe is super finely tuned for its current state, and any drastic changes could throw everything off balance. They're concerned that planets might collide, setting off a chain reaction of cosmic chaos, potentially even leading to an apocalyptic scenario. Luckily for us Earthlings, it's probably best we stick with the status quo and enjoy our cozy spot in the solar system. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any mind-bending science questions, hit that comments section below. Who knows, we might just turn your inquiry into our next